So you got yourself the new shiny AirPods or AirPods Pro for Christmas? If so, then I have compiled a list of 8 tips and tricks you will want to know to get the best experience of your new hearing wireless earbuds. Plus, I have a bonus tip at the end of this video for your AirPods and AirPod Pro. So do check it out. So the first one is to check your AirPods battery life with Siri. Yes, I know you have a battery widget on your iPhone screen, but what if your phone was in your pocket and you want to quickly find the battery life of your AirPods? You can do this by asking Siri. So a simple command of, "Hey Siri, what's my AirPod battery like?" This will tell you. Siri will tell you what the battery life of your AirPods are. "Hey Siri, what's my AirPod battery like?" In my second tip, you need to activate or deactivate automatic device switching. Your Apple AirPods have a feature that allows them to automatically connect to whatever device is in active use. So if you swap from your iPhone to your Mac, the AirPods connection is meant to move from one device to another as you do. Automatic switching can be useful, however, there are times when you don't want to do that and you want to disable this feature. So to disable this feature, go into your settings on your iPhone, then Bluetooth, and make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Then press the information icon, which is the eye. Scroll down and where it says connect to this iPhone, make sure when last connected to this iPhone is selected, not automatically. Now, the third tip I would say is to turn on announce notification. With your AirPods in your ears and Siri integration and the latest version of iOS 15, AirPods are now able to announce all of your incoming notifications, including your messages. This is really useful if you have your AirPods on and you're exercising or traveling somewhere. So to enable this, open up the Settings app, then tap on Notifications, then tap on Announce Notifications. Toggle on the Announce Notifications and make sure Headphones is toggled on. With both Announce Notifications and Headphones toggled on, Siri will read out your notifications from apps of your choice when you have the AirPods in. So if you have an incoming text, Siri will read it out to you and give you a chance to send out a reply, all hands-free. Down below here, you can select the apps that you want to use the announce notification with, so you can get important readouts. The fourth tip is to use the force sensor to control playback of music for a call. Your AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro have a built-in force sensor in the stem. The force sensor can be used for controlling media playbacks with different presses. For music, a single press will play and pause the audio. If you double press, it will skip forward a track. If you triple press, it'll skip backwards. To use the force sensors while calling, single press will answer incoming calls. Double press on a call will hang up the call. Press and hold will activate Siri. And the fifth tip is to make sure spatial audio is activated. Spatial audio is a feature that offers 3D sound experience when listening to music, and it is able to follow the movement of your iPhone with supported audio and video. Spatial audio can be toggled on and off using the control center, and it is available for your AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro. So to enable this, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad. Then open up the control center. On the volume slider, you should see a little icon that looks like the AirPods. Now long press on the volume slider, then tap on spatial audio. Now from here, you can select fix or head tracked. The sixth tip is to pair them with non-Apple products. Yes, you heard it right. You can pair your new AirPods 3 or AirPods Pro with non-Apple product. Let's say you have a Bluetooth TV or a tablet or an Android phone. Here I'll use an Android phone as an example. To pair your AirPods to the Android phone, make sure both of your AirPods are in the case. Now open the case And at the back of the case, you have this pairing button. Press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. The solid white light should start to blink white. When it blinks, then it means it's ready to connect to another device. Now on your non-Apple device, make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Then start the scan and you'll see the new AirPod 3 or AirPod Pro within the list. Tap on it to connect to it. Depending on your device, you'll have to press a few more buttons and finally you will be connected. You can use your AirPods for making calls or for listening to music on a non-Apple device. The 7th tip is to get yourself an Apple Care Plus on your AirPods. Trust me, you'll thank me later on. These AirPods are so small and delicate, one drop and you can destroy the speaker or mic within your AirPods. Better to be safe than sorry. To get Apple Care, go into Settings on your iPhone, then Bluetooth, and then make sure your AirPods are connected. Then tap on the information icon, which looks like an eye. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apple Care. Here in UK, it costs £29 for 2 years for Apple Care plan for your AirPods. And each time you make a claim, you need to pay an excess of £25. You can make a maximum of 2 claims per year. It's not bad considering the price of an AirPod Pro is about £220. And the last tip is to keep your AirPods safe by using the Find My app. Your new AirPods can now be found using the Find My app in case they're stolen or misplaced. AirPods can take advantage of the Find My network, so you can take advantage of the iPhone, iPads, and Mac of other people to track down your lost set of AirPods. You can do this by going onto Find My app on your iPhone, sign in using your iCloud account, and you'll see your AirPod listed within the device. Tap on it and it'll show you where exactly it is. So those were the 8 tips and tricks you need to get yourself familiar with for your new AirPods 3 or AirPods Pro. Last but not least, the bonus tip: get yourself an AirPod case. As you know, the case is white and it can be easily scratched. This will protect your AirPod case from drops or scratches. With the case, you can prevent it from being damaged, and some cases also have a keychain or a clip attached to it, so you can attach it to your keys or your wallet so you don't lose it. On eBay and Amazon, there are plenty of choices, and you can also personalize it as per your choice. Hope you're enjoying your new AirPods 3 or AirPods Pro. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.